What's up everybody, Colin Bracken here, and today we're making a video towing with my 2020 F-350. Sorry about the audio quality, it's a little windy up here and all I have is my GoPro, but we're fully loaded up with 3/4 inch gravel. I'm assuming that this is gonna be about 10,000 pounds of rock. So let's go ahead and get paid up and I'll show you guys how this thing does towing on the way home. We do have an Airlift wireless 1 compressor with Airlift 7500 bags. We got 30 PSI in them right now. We'll see how that does, and yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys how this truck tows because I love it. Even on the 2414s, tows great. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that we turn on our seat massagers there. Perfect, perfect. And then we're gonna go ahead and turn our trailer brake gain up. We're gonna go ahead and rock this on about 9 for now and see how it does. We've got the automatic engine brake hooked up. We're gonna turn off trailer sway control and we are ready to roll, boys. Here we've got the engine brake. We're gonna turn it on to auto and we will adjust it when we start going downhill. Alrighty guys, just real quick before we hop into the video of how it tows, I wanna just show you guys real fast our slip here. So our weight after being loaded, so our light weight was 13,100 pounds, 7.75 tons of rock at 5,000 pounds, equaling 28,600 pounds. It was $116. I only had $100 cash because last time it was like $85, so I thought I was gonna be good, so I got to bring up another 16 when I get another little bit. But yep, 3/4 inch rock, and we are locked and loaded, ready to go. I'm just gonna hurry and make a quick walk around of the trailer real fast so that we can make sure that we're towing safe. So just, it's always easier to double check and make sure that everything is set up the way you want before you take off than to have something go wrong and then it be on the road or you lose a load or something like that. So rear door is locked. We're gonna hurry and throw the cover over the top and we will be good to go. All of our connections still solid up here, chains hooked up, e-brake hooked up, and yep, let's go ahead and get this thing home. All right, so the rear gate is locked, the rear doors are locked. We've got our tarp down over the top. We're gonna hurry and lock that into place. Okay, we got our tarp in place. All of our tires seem to be good. We checked the pressure before we came out here. Airbag pressure is good, truck is level. Everything is hooked up in the front. We got our BigTex trailer, 7x14 dump trailer. Let's hop on the road and see how this thing tows. Get our seat belt on here for safety. All right, we're gonna turn that exhaust brake to on because we've got a downhill here. So engine brake on, that's what this is right here. Trailer brake gain, we're gonna be rocking at 9. And we'll adjust if we need to. So we'll push on the brakes now. We're going downhill. We're gonna feel that engine brake kick on. It's keeping us right at about 20. It's really kicking on now. You can see that turbo PSI climbing. We're gonna hit the brakes lightly and we're slowing down really, really well. I mean, not super steep hill there, but as you can see, there's definitely a hill. So that forward exhaust brake is really good. I know a lot of people have said that the Ram and Dodge's exhaust brakes are great. I haven't really dealt with any aftermarket ones, just stock, so I can't really say anything too much about them. But let's go ahead and hop on the road here. We have just a little windy hill here coming down out of the gravel pit. We got gravel flying out of those 4-wheel bodies. Sounds like a war zone out there. But that's what you get when you got a work truck on 14 wides. Okay, we're hitting about 30 right here. Speed limit's 30, so we're gonna stay right around that. Exhaust brake is kicking on. Coming down just a little slope here, nothing crazy. If you guys want to see this exact same video, but towing with a 2015 F-250, I will put the link right here on the screen so you guys can see that and you can even compare them for yourself. Now, keep in mind that truck was tuned and on a weight loss kit, but this one is 100% stock. And I have to say, this 10-speed tows amazing. Just really, really well. You've got power all through. Another rock chip. Dinger! Let's go. Okay, coming up to a stop here, so we're gonna hurry and we're gonna get on the brakes just a little bit. And we have plenty of time to stop. Look at that. We have plenty of time to stop. So I'm gonna go ahead, roll down to this stop sign, get pulled out on this road, and I'll show you guys what an acceleration looks like with about 15,000 pounds of gravel. Alrighty, gonna go ahead and get pulled out on the road here. We've got one vehicle coming this way and none coming this way, so show you guys how it gets on it. Now this is not full throttle. I'm not going to go full throttle with a trailer of this weight hooked up. Roll up my window here so you don't hear all that road noise. But we are just boogieing. That 10 speed, right now we're in 7th gear. Just barely shifted from 6th to 7th. 65 miles an hour, just like that. Now we are rolling. There's another rock chip. I don't know if you heard that, but RIP my paint. Don't forget to like this video and drop a subscribe on the channel if you guys want to see more videos based around my 2020 F-350 Platinum Powerstroke. Truck is towing just incredibly smooth. Incredibly smooth. Holding it right there, just above 60 miles an hour. That massage, that cooled massage is really nice though, I'll tell you that. We're in 1st gear, takeoff right here. Shifting just incredibly smooth. You can barely even feel that it's already shifted 5 times now into the 6th gear right there. Wow. Oh, big old pothole in the road. A lot of people are always talking about it being concerning towing with rubber bands. 35-inch tires on a 24-inch wheel is really not that rubber bandy, especially if you get a 10 or a 12 ply rating tire. We tow with them all the time, so yeah, we like to watch out for potholes and stuff in the road because we are more prone to get damaged wheels on the road, especially here in Utah. But like with 24s, that's right on the perfect line of having enough tire for me. I wouldn't tow with 26s. I mean, I probably would, but I don't know if I would enjoy it as much. The ride definitely wouldn't be as good. We are getting a little bit of bumpy right here. Now, the stock shocks on these Fords are really not that great. My last Ford had Bilstein shocks and Airlift 500 or 5,000 bags. This one has stock in the rear, Fox suspension up front, and the reason why we're still stock in the rear is because I'm just saving up enough money to do King shocks all the way around. So the Fox shocks came with my suspension kit that I got hooked up from Dependable Tire and Auto here in Logan. If you guys want to see that video, I can throw it right here on the screen as well. But yeah, so that's why we don't have any upgraded stuff in the rear, so we do still get a little bit of that bounce. But with the bags and 30 PSI, this load is towing just really, really well. Show you guys here again. We're just holding right there, 65 miles an hour, sitting at about 1,500 RPMs. We should probably be at about 2,000. So I'm gonna go ahead and kick it out of 10th gear and just downshift a little bit. Puts us at 1,600. Let's go ahead to 8th. Put us at 2,000 right there. So that way it'll keep our tranny from overworking in those higher gears with a load this big. Even though it can do it, it's better to take it out of it and run your RPMs just a little bit higher and your transmission just a little bit lower geared. Alrighty, so we made it all safe and sound. I mean, what more did you expect out of the old Powerstroke? Everything's still locked down. Successful trip. Load secured. These guys right here are responsible for many thousands of people's paint. Shame on you. Anyway, the truck towed really well. I can't really say it tows better than my 2015 F-250, but it's definitely a more enjoyable experience. Having all the ride features, getting a massage while you're driving down the road, like all that stuff really ties into just the overall experience. So the truck did really well. Again, we've got 24x14s on 35s. We've got Fox shocks in the front. We've got Airlift 7500 bags in the back with a wireless one controller, and the trailer is a BigTex 14GX, so it's a 7x14 dump trailer. Overall weight was 28,000 pounds and some change. Really just did amazing. So anyway, thank you guys for watching today's video. If you want to see more, don't forget to comment down below, turn on that bell notification, and subscribe to the channel for future videos. Peace out.
What do you guys think? Do you guys like the gravel? Do you like the gravel or not? What do you guys think?
What's up?
Do you guys like the gravel? Do you like the gravel or not?
If you guys want to see more of these guys, don't forget to check out the Roddy channel, which we also run. I'll put the link right here on the screen. Thank you guys, and we'll see you on the next one. I don't know.